Hey you guys, we are here with my Air Jordan Retro 8s, my Tinker Air Raids. So we are about to review these and talk about this shoe real quick. Hey you guys, so I have my size, what is it, 7.5 in men? Yeah, so the thing is, I am small. I'm like 5'3", 113. So when I put on these 7.5s, it just looks like I have a stupid big foot. Like, I almost don't want to wear skinny jeans whenever I'm wearing J's. It just looks so stupidly big. Oh, it's. But anyway, so these are my Air Jordan Retro 8s, the Tinker Air Raids. So we're about to bust these joints out real quick. Let's bust them out. So I wanted to show y'all the inside, but the thing was, Courtney's feet are some type of way. So we had to take the sole out. Had to take the sole out so it could be comfy. And then when I took the sole out, the sock I had on made it too big. So it was like, gotta have the right sock, no sole. It's just I have to go through too much to try to wear any Jordans right now. It's like I'm going through a lot. Most of my Jordans I have to take the sole out, then make sure I have the right sock on. But anyway, let's talk about the shoe. So this is the Tinker Air Raid. As you can see, it's black and it has the colorway of colorful colors. You know, we have the Chanel patch with the green, orange, and the red with the blue Jumpman in the middle outlined in the yellow. Then we have the Dream Together. Can y'all see that? Dream Together. We got that. Ooh. We have the black suede. Now me, I wore these. First time I wore them was going to Cali, and it snowed here. So throwing them on, trying to get out of the car into the shuttle bus, it was like I got them kind of wet with the snow and trying to. I'm not good with shoes. It's like I want to be. I want to be a shoe addict, but I can't handle it. It's like, man, it's work. You got to walk all special. Then I'm clumsy on top of that. So imagine being a person that wants to be a shoe addict, but then you're clumsy at the same time. How does that work? It doesn't. So I'm trying to walk slower. I'm trying to take bigger steps, more precise when I step. So as you can see, we have the green going around. I like the colors. I really enjoy colorful colors. So the fact that this is black, then you have all these popping colors coming out. You know what I'm saying? We have the purple, red, orange, some green. You got the Velcro straps. I like Velcro straps. I dig a strap. I do. I like Air Raids a lot. I used to have maybe like 2 pair of Air Raids, and I thought Air Raids was so dope. So this definitely makes me happy when I rock these. And you see the Velcro patch goes all the way across the back. But this is definitely a dope shoe. If I was in a city that didn't have to deal with snow, man, I would be busting all my Jordans and all my foams and everything all season. It's crazy. And I like how if it wasn't snow, this could be like a boot. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, this is quite big on my little body. If I had a little bit more weight, it would probably even it out the look. But me being so small, this looks like a big old joint when I come through. It's like, dang, her foot big. Yeah, that's yeah. It's there. It's there. So we are about to get into the on foot for y'all. So sit right there. Don't leave. We're getting into on foot. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Because after the on foot, you know, we just gonna cut it short. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's real colorful under there. It's beautiful. This is a wonderful shoe. A beautiful, colorful, sturdy shoe. Like I said, this could be like a winter boot. You know what I'm saying? How sturdy it is. If I did want to wear it out in the snow, besides the suede. If it wasn't for the suede, we'd be good. But this is definitely a sturdy, solid shoe. Remember, I had to take the insoles out because my feet can't handle it. to the on foot.
Life can be only what you make it. When you're feeling down, you should never